Have you ever felt trapped in a subscription you no longer need or want? It's a common frustration, and today, we're diving into one specific app, Emma. If you're ready to break free from your Emma subscription, you've come to the right place. Emma app has undoubtedly been a valuable tool for many. But as our lives evolve, so do our needs. Perhaps you've found a better alternative, or maybe you simply no longer require its services. Whatever the reason, canceling your Emma subscription is a straightforward process. Step 1. Access your account settings. Locate the settings or profile icon. This is usually found in the bottom right or top right corner of the app. Navigate to Subscription Management. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions, Manage Subscription, or something similar. Step 2. Find your Emma subscription. Scroll or search. Depending on the app's interface, you might need to scroll through a list of your active subscriptions or use a search bar to find the Emma subscription. Step 3. Cancel the subscription. Select Cancel Subscription. Once you've located the Emma subscription, look for a button or option that says Cancel, Unsubscribe, or something equivalent. Confirm your decision. The app might prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental cancellations. Additional considerations. Cancellation timing. Be aware of any cancellation policies or grace periods. Some apps might allow you to continue using the service until the end of your billing cycle. Refunds. If you're eligible for a refund, the app should provide information on how to request one. Account deletion. If you want to completely delete your Emma account, there might be a separate option for that. Common issues and troubleshooting. Unable to find the cancellation option. If you can't locate the cancellation option, try contacting Emma's customer support for assistance. Technical difficulties. If you encounter any technical problems during the cancellation process, try restarting the app or your device. Canceling your Emma subscription is a simple process that can free up your time and resources. By following these steps, you can easily terminate your subscription and move on to other options that better suit your needs. Remember, if you have any trouble or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Emma's customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.